Hello everyone. This video is about the problem with the roaming when you're abroad. Like in my case, I got the, you see, before it showed that there was the E network, now it shows emergency calls only. And the problem is, I was trying to contact to the service and the technical support, and they couldn't help me at all. As you can see, roaming is off as well. You can't receive phone calls, you can make the phone calls. Sometimes you're receiving just a message, so I don't know when and how, but yeah. And the problem is that I don't know, they don't have some contracts between the other countries or something else. I don't know what exactly, but all you have to do, of course, is just choosing the settings. This is the shortcut like I do. Then choosing the network, mobile networks. And as you can see, roaming is on, everything is on. In here the network mode is LTE, 3G, 2G, auto connect. They asked me before they're trying to change the network operators, but doesn't work that. All you have to do is actually just choose the 2G. I don't know, in some other countries probably 3G will work, but in the country where I am now, in Latvia, and it doesn't work in there. As we can see, when I select the 2G only, straight away came up the network operator, LV, LMT, and even the roaming as well is on. As you can see in the corner there is the roaming, and the mobile data is working. What I didn't show, it's to prove that it's not working on the auto connection, where is the LTE, 3G and 2G. As we can see, roaming is still on, but you can't make the phone calls. Let's have a look. So I will call to my number. This is the default number, so it's supposed anyway making some hanging up or something. As we can see, it's dialing, but nothing happens. No sound, nothing. Let's change it over. Go to the settings, network, more networks, another mobile networks, and just change it over. I tried the 3G and 2G auto connect, this doesn't come up anyway, and 3G only as well. It came up the network operator, but doesn't allow you to make the phone calls. So 2G only is selected. It's supposed to appear now the network operator, LMT, as we can see, LV, LMT, EE. And let's try it now. Let's try the phone call. What it shows me. So let's do it again. Same phone call, same number. Volume up. And as we can see, it's dialing, but it's not, of course, not dialing to your own phone. Good. But it's working. You see, it's dropping off straight away, rejecting. So that's it. Thanks for the watching, and see you in the next videos.